My background or interest in culinary arts started when I was pretty young. When I was deciding what to do in college, I chose between physics and culinary arts. And I ended up going for physics instead of culinary arts, but it still is a pretty major hobby for me. So something that I considered briefly pursuing as a longer career, but then just kind of stuck with it for fun.
So we came to the CVI for a Chef for a Day experience because I was looking for a unique gift for my girlfriend for Christmas. So we have a tradition of making kind of a large experimental dinner on a Saturday night where we go to the West Side Market in Cleveland and try to pick up some interesting ingredients and then just try to advance our own culinary techniques in-house. So it's really exciting to be able to do that together and do it here as well at the CVI.
When we started this morning, I think that everybody was looking to try to make us feel really comfortable while we were here, just asking us like what we were comfortable with. Is there anything that we wanted to really learn about? And just said, hey, anything that you particularly really want to know, let us know and we'll make that happen for you. So that was really cool. We were preparing herbs for a dish and they're just little tiny things. They're like, yeah, so this is half of the chef job is sitting here, doing really tiny jobs. But while we were standing there doing that, we got to just like chat with the chefs in the kitchen and learn more about them and their journey and stuff like that. So you kind of got to know people more while you were doing the stuff in the kitchen as well.
The chefs have been great here sharing some of the science behind what they're doing. It's easy to see the final product and think, oh, that's an ingredient that you happen to have here at the farm. Well, that's not entirely true. There's a lot more that goes into it before it gets out onto the plate.